Picture this, a telescope so advanced it makes the Hubble look like it was made from spare parts found in your garage. Okay, that might be a bit harsh. But the James Webb Space Telescope, yes, that's our star today, is truly in a league of its own. This engineering marvel isn't just looking at stars. It's peeking into the birthplaces of galaxies, finding new planets, and even analyzing atmospheres for signs of life. Basically, it's like having a cosmic detective on the case, but instead of solving crimes, it's unraveling the mysteries of the universe. In this video, we'll dive into how the James Webb Space Telescope works, why it's such a game changer, and what incredible discoveries it's already made, plus a few predictions for what might come next. So buckle up, space fans, because this is going to be an astronomical ride. Let's rewind to the 1990s when the Hubble Space Telescope was blowing everyone's mind with its breathtaking images. But like every tech device you have ever owned, it quickly became clear that it wasn't enough. Scientists wanted something bigger, better, and more capable of answering the big questions. Where did we come from? Are we alone? What's up with dark matter? Enter the James Webb Space Telescope. The planning began in 1996 with a dream to create a telescope that could see further back in time than ever before. And no, we are not talking about a quick peek into last week. We are talking about seeing the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang over 13 billion years ago. To do this, the telescope needed to be infrared, super sensitive, and massive. Spoiler alert, it took over 2 decades, $10 billion, and a lot of headaches to finally launch it in December 2021. Was it worth it? Let's find out. What makes the JWST so special? First, let's talk about its size. The James Webb Space Telescope's mirror is over 21 feet across, making it 6 times larger than Hubble's. And this mirror isn't just any mirror. It's coated in gold. That's right, actual gold. Why? Because gold reflects infrared light like a pro, and infrared is the key to spotting those ancient galaxies hiding in the distant reaches of space. Then there's the sun shield. This thing is like a 5-layer sunscreen for the telescope, keeping it cool enough to detect faint heat signals from billions of light years away. To give you some perspective, The telescope operates at around minus 370 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than your freezer's freezer. And don't even get me started on the instruments. The JWST has cameras and spectrographs that can analyze light in ways we have never seen before. It's like giving a regular telescope a pair of superpowered glasses. With this setup, it can detect everything from distant galaxies to the chemical composition of exoplanet atmospheres. Yep, it's that good. Within months of its first images being released, the JWST had already delivered. Remember those blurry distant galaxies from Hubble's deep field image? Well, Webb's version of that same field looks like a treasure chest of sparkling jewels. Scientists were floored, and honestly so were the rest of us. One of its coolest achievements so far has been detecting the atmosphere of an exoplanet called WASP-39b. Not only did it confirm the presence of carbon dioxide, but it also hinted at other molecules that might be precursors to life. Basically, it's like the telescope just got a sniff of alien potential. And then there's the discovery of star-forming regions in galaxies that were previously too faint to study. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we are now able to see how stars are born, evolve, and sometimes explode in dramatic supernovas. It's like having a front row seats to the greatest show in the universe. So what's on the horizon for the James Webb Space Telescope? For starters, scientists are planning to use it to study the atmospheres of even more exoplanets, searching for biosignatures. That's the fancy term for signs of life. Imagine finding a planet with oxygen, water vapor, and methane all at once. That's when we start asking the big questions about little green men. Another exciting project is its role in studying the first light in the universe. Webb is already helping researchers understand how the earlier stars formed and what they were made of. This could completely rewrite what we know about the early universe. And let's not forget its potential for discovering entirely new things. The beauty of having such an advanced telescope is that it's like handing an artist a blank canvas. We don't know what exactly we'll find, but that's part of the excitement. Whether it's uncovering the mysteries of dark matter or finding evidence of interstellar comets, the JWST will be at the forefront of exploration. The James Webb Space Telescope isn't just a scientific instrument, it's a time machine, a life finder, and a star maker all rolled into one. With every discovery, it's reshaping our understanding of the universe and showing us just how much there is left to explore. If you have enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Modern Cosmos. Your support helps keep wonders of the universe coming straight to your screen. And who knows, maybe one day we'll look back at this moment as the dawn of humanity's greatest age of discovery. And before you go, join us in exploring the new horizons of the universe. Let's expand our knowledge of the cosmos together. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.